In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Facebook account. Whether you're taking a break or ready to step away for good, I'll walk you through the exact steps on iPhone and Android so you can confidently deactivate or delete your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. On iPhone, tap the menu button at the bottom of the screen, then tap the small gear icon in the top right to open settings. On Android or Samsung devices, open the Facebook app, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Facebook updates its design often. Just look for the gear icon or the Settings and Privacy section. Next, you'll open Account Center. From Settings, tap See More in Account Center. This is where Facebook groups controls that may affect your account profile and connected experiences. Inside Account Center, you may see different options depending on your app version. If you see personal details, tap it, then choose account ownership and control. If you don't see personal details, scroll to the bottom, tap Manage Accounts, and then tap Manage next to your Facebook account. Both paths take you to the same place. Now choose whether you want to deactivate or delete. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. You'll be given two choices: Deactivate Account, which is temporary and hides your profile and content until you log back in, or Delete Account, which is permanent and removes your account and data. Select the option that fits your goal and tap Continue. Before anything changes, Facebook will show a summary of what will happen to your account based on your choice. Take a moment to read this carefully so you understand the impact, especially if you chose deletion. When you're ready, scroll down and tap Continue. For security, you'll be asked to enter your Facebook password to confirm it's really you. Go ahead and enter it, then continue through the remaining prompts. These may include brief reminders or options related to your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the final confirmation. Once you complete those prompts, you're done. If you selected deactivation, your account is now temporarily turned off and can be restored by logging back in. If you selected deletion, your account is scheduled for permanent removal as indicated in the confirmation screens. That's all it takes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.